it's getting pretty. What? Oh, hip hop. Oh, okay, it's going. Goodness. Dah tahu lama dah. Oh, okay. Come on, man. You can do this when I'm recording. Wait, please go like this, and then yeah, there we go. There we go. Now next thing is grab another edge piece, and then grab these two pieces. You can pick which one. I'll pick blue. So put in there, and then put in there. Put it just how I showed the orange. Damn it, orange. Okay. Okay, it's going in. Wait a minute. Why? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me, orange? Okay, oh, it's going in. Okay, now let's get the blue piece. And then put in like this. Again, not again, orange. Make sure to hold the pieces that you... Okay, so now flip it over like this. And then get a white piece. A white corner piece. And then wait, no, the orange and the blue one, and then just get, and then put them together. Yes. So there we go. We have our first corner piece, and just slide them down like that. We won't have any troubles putting the corner piece together. While the edge, there is blue one's a problem now. Oh, it's starting to orange. Yes. Split back. Okay. Let's put. Dang it. Okay, let's put this corner piece back. This is embarrassing in a video. I should have never done this video. Okay. Done. So now grab a white edge piece and the opposite color of the first one, which is orange, and put them together. Red and okay. So let's put it like this. Problem solved this time, and fake will damage that. Okay. Okay, this is kind of simple. Get one white corner piece, one red, and wait. Okay, sorry guys. The corner. Okay, the edges and the corners. Wait a second. Okay, get 2 corners from each one. So yeah, I forgot about that. Oh my goodness, no. Remember, count how many fails in this video. Okay, get okay. Then get another blue one. Remember 2. Okay, sorry guys if you're doing this now or not or whatever, or coconuts or nuts or butts. Okay, put them in together. Ow. And then just wait. I put the stuff is that should be here because the orange and blue one I don't know what I'm doing. Just doing random ones. Okay, it's going. And blue piece. Remember 2 of the corner pieces from each color. Except white, you have to get all of white. Slide them, dang it. Come on. Like, what the hell? Oh my goodness, I almost damaged all of them. Like this cube, like, what the heck? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Let's get this one. Slide it down. So, yes. Okay, we're almost done. Now, let's get another white and another edge, the last remaining edge, the green side, and then put them like this. I don't trust this. No, it's this. Yay! That's it. Yay! We didn't. No problem. Now get this white one and red and these three colors, and then assemble them. Okay, that's right. Wanna know if it's the right color? Just do it like this and see. And the bottom here is the bottom. Okay, so it's good. Okay, last one. Okay, so let's do this, and here we go. And the orange is here. Is orange here? Is orange here? Huh? Sorry. Coconuts. Okay, assemble this here. We also got a heart to do that. Okay, and then assemble this last one. And here it goes in. You can figure it out. Okay. Finally, last corner of the white side. Done. Wait, what's wrong? Done. Sorry guys, I had to watch the disaster video. Now, okay, let's make fun of myself there. Now, get two of every edge, and you don't need a corner this time, except the yellow one. So now let's assemble them. Like I told you. Can this? Nope, this cannot. Nope, this cannot as well. I don't see. Come on, get me one. Okay. So the edges doesn't matter how you put them, just the corners. You put them wrong, then game over, buddy. You have to do it again, just like how I did it. Just place them right, just place them correctly. Assemble it. Nope, go in. So, yeah. So, the second layer is complete. Now, get all of the pieces. It's time to assemble them back to the original spot. Now, get yellow and green or whatever, but I'm using green because that's the last one. This is gonna be easy. Assemble it and then put it inside, and then you grab a corner piece, yellow, green and orange. Green and orange, make sure you put one like this so it's easy. Okay, and wait. Okay, disassemble like this. Okay, like this, and then assemble it like this. Oh, wrong.